My apologies. Good afternoon. Apologies for the delay. I was wanting to ensure that I had the most up-to-date information available to share with you regarding the evolving situation at White Island. Police search and rescue is supporting the National Emergency Management Agency following an eruption at White Island off the coast of Whakatane. Police were alerted at 2:17 p.m. At this stage, and please do keep in mind this is an evolving situation, but at this stage we believe around 100 people were on or around the island at the time, and some of those at this stage are unaccounted for. A number of people are reportedly injured and are being transported to shore. Police are urging members of the public to avoid the Whakatane Heads and Muriwai Road areas. Muriwai Road is closed from Harvey Street. I do want to just again share this is evolving at this stage. Obviously does appear to be a very significant issue, particularly the scale of those affected at this stage. A joint press conference will be held at 5:30 between the National Emergency Management Agency and the police. They will be able at that stage to provide you with far greater detail in what is very much an evolving situation, but of course I'm sure all our thoughts are with those affected at this stage.